So let's line her up on the runway at full power. Pressure's coming up, pressure's good. Temperature's warming up. We got positive airflow. Instruments are all in the green. And we got the airspeed is alive. The airplane wants to take off. So you know what? Let's let her take off.
So that boy that he should have been an athlete. I was just in the 305 with DJ Me, and I don't feel nobody, no need to compete. We was smoking in front, he called a trolley, wanna stretch it in the back.
Alright, what's up you guys? Check this out. I got a special guest on board of us today. He is flying with me for the first time. I've known him for years, and I'm honored that he's on board with us today. DJ Meat,
what's going on,
the man, the myth, the legend. What's going on, sir?
What's going on, NextMan?
All right, welcome aboard, welcome aboard.
Thank you, man.
What's going on, sir?
Doing life, man. You know, it's trying something different new. This is my first time flying.
All right. So, in case y'all didn't know, DJ Meat is by his name, DJ, world's famous DJ.
So that's what I be doing, man. I'm still in the clubs. I'm still DJing. Burger still grinding.
Okay. Tell them a bit about your business and your radio station.
I own an online licensed radio station called S&DS Radio. So I created it about 9 to 10 years ago. As we know, it's been difficult for artists to really get exposure on the radio in the city. You feel me? So I want to create a radio station, a platform where people can tune in. They can invite their listeners out, and just really, you feel me? Just have something for them, have something for the community.
Hey, we've definitely been an advocate for our South Florida artists. We got a lot of amazing talent here.
A lot of it, and like I say, a lot of the majority of my career has been dealing with artists. You feel me? But back when we was doing Cocos, like we really helped artists, and that's what I've been, just trying to maintain and keep going, and keep that inspiration going for artists, man. That it's a way out. It's still a way. Because
yeah,
I have built my platform and built my connections.
Yeah.
Thank God, because these people are able to help these artists that come on my platform. They see it, they recognize it, and it's working. You feel me?
Yeah, so, yeah. And that's one thing I'm a big fan of, and I admire the fact that you're continuing. Because I left the game. Circumstances beyond my control required me to retire as a DJ, and he picked up the mantle and kept it going and took it to a higher level than I could have ever done.
Man,
so I'm really proud that you're doing that and representing for the local artists. And what else you got going on? What else is in?
Right now I'm putting out records, but I'm doing it with independent artists.
Okay.
You feel me? Like keeping the thing going with artists. Because before I was heavy on the mixtape things. Like I was real big doing the mixtapes. And it did wonders for artists.
Okay.
And myself as well.
Okay.
But with copyright infringement now, things got difficult to put out mixtapes.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, what's the next level? I ain't gonna lie, I love how DJ Khaled blueprint was for artists. So I just want to do the same thing, and with my circle of people and independent artists.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know for sure with the fan base that some of these artists have, man, all they need is that look.
Yep. And that's one thing I really appreciated about being a DJ. And we had a lot of celebrities come in the club, and they wanted to play their music, but like how Atlanta did it, they listen. Don't care who you are, where you from, they playing their music.
I try to explain that to people, like, brother, I don't care. I've been in the club in Atlanta with Gucci Mane, Future in it, and they're not playing their songs.
Yeah.
They're playing these independent artists.
Yeah.
Some things you never heard of, but that's a DJ got in rotation.
Okay.
And the people going crazy because they deal with it. You feel me? It's not how you come to Miami. You gonna hear just all commercial.
Yeah.
Even in the clubs now. Nah, not there. And that was the way that I saw that they helped break their artists.
Okay.
So I adopted the same thing.
Okay.
So I don't care how you feel. I'm gonna play independent artists.
Yep.
I'm gonna support them. Anything I got access to, I'm trying to put an independent artist on as well.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah. Oh man, and I really appreciate that you continue to do that. And putting the artists on, being a DJ is a very influential thing, and you're a very influential DJ right now. And I know you've gotten to work and play music for big time artists and and breaking records. I know you've broken hundreds of records.
I have.
So I'm really appreciative of that, man. I'm really happy to have you on board today, seeing our city from a different perspective.
From a very different, man.
Yes, sir.
It's beautiful, dog. Like,
but before we go, where can people find you? What's your platform?
You can follow me on Instagram at DJ Meat with 2 underscores. You can follow SNDS Radio. You know, that's really what I'm trying to get people to familiar with. Just DJ Meat everywhere, man. With the underscore on Instagram. There's no old business I had.
All right, y'all be sure to follow my brother. Follow him, and see all the big things he's doing.
Definitely.
All right.
Blueface, yeah. DJ Meat. Wake up chasing paper, cause it's nigga. Tired of hearing, baby, I ain't got no money. Need a new just I got ambitions. Y'all wanna play, I wanna ball, see we different. Teachers never taught me shit. I just need a math and a deep boy to teach me about the bricks. Pocket looking sick, time to pop a perky. Put my phone on side, try to chirp me. Every day a new grind, gotta get the money. Baby, you don't really love them blue honey. It's cool.
My dog getting money. You heard me? My dog getting that money. That's when you got talent. All right. You know what? As a matter of fact, let me flip to a little clip of my dog in action. Y'all, hold on. We coming right back.
Big dog ballin'. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Sweet. I got that check, run it up, flick, hit them all, flick, hit the club, flick, pull it up, that's the best, fat, roll one, smoke one, take away stress. I got that check, run it up, flick, hit them all, flick, hit the club, flick, pull it up, that's the best, fat, roll one, smoke one, take away stress. I got that check, run it up, flick, hit them all, flick, hit the club, flick, make a call to my dog to get it all, check, break it down, pass it round, take away stress.
See who's flying with me today, right? Y'all see who's flying with me today, right? Man, it's an honor to have you on board, sir. It's an honor to have you on board, man, and my audience has seen who you are and what you really do, you know what I'm saying? So
I appreciate you, man. Listen, I gotta try this once. I gotta try it, you feel me? So I'm like, man, one of my good friends is a pilot.
yeah, man, come on, man.
From the bottom, man, I'm headed to the top for real. BBS is all these diamonds that he buy for real. No run up on when you gon' run into this Glock for real. I'ma get money junkie, nigga, I can't stop for real. I had to show them cause I ain't one of them. I ain't one of them. I ain't one of them. For them places we gon' show you we not one of them. We not one of them. We not one of them.